Woodworking is rewarding. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of creating something beautiful and functional with your own hands. The smell of fresh-cut wood, the feel of the grain under your fingers, and the pride in a job well done are all part of the joy of woodworking. But it can be tough. From measuring and cutting to assembling and finishing, each step presents its own set of challenges. Sometimes, it feels like the tools are working against you rather than with you. Clamps are a big help. They hold pieces together while the glue dries, ensuring a strong bond. However, they can be cumbersome and often get in the way of your work. But they can be in the way. Large clamps can be bulky and difficult to maneuver, especially in tight spaces or on smaller projects. They can also leave marks on the wood that need to be sanded out later. What if there was a better way? A method that was just as strong but more convenient and less intrusive. Imagine a solution that could simplify your workflow and make your projects more enjoyable. There is, it's tape and superglue. This dynamic duo can revolutionize the way you approach woodworking. By combining the holding power of superglue with the versatility of tape, you can achieve strong, reliable bonds without the hassle of traditional clamps. This trick is fast and strong. The superglue sets quickly, allowing you to move on to the next step without waiting for hours. The tape holds everything in place, ensuring a precise fit and a clean finish. You can use it on lots of projects. It's a game changer. Traditional clamps are great for large pieces, but for smaller projects or intricate work, tape and superglue offer a level of precision and ease that clamps simply can't match. But they can be bulky. They take up valuable space on your workbench and can be difficult to position correctly. With tape and superglue, you can free up your workspace and focus on the details that matter. Tape and superglue are different. They offer a streamlined approach to woodworking that can save you time and effort. Plus, they are incredibly versatile and can be used on a wide range of materials and projects. They hold wood together tightly. They are like magic. The bond is strong and durable, capable of withstanding the stresses and strains of everyday use. You'll be amazed at how well this method works. This method is great for small projects. Whether you're making a picture frame, a jewelry box, or a small piece of furniture, tape and superglue can help you achieve professional results with minimal hassle. It's also great for delicate work. When precision is key, and you need to avoid damaging the wood, tape and superglue provide a gentle yet effective solution. Get ready to unlock a new level of woodworking. Embrace the tape and superglue revolution and discover how these simple tools can transform your projects and elevate your craftsmanship. Ready to try this trick? Before you dive into your woodworking project, it's essential to gather all the necessary tools and materials. Preparation is key to ensuring a smooth and successful DIY experience. You will need a few things. Having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference in the quality and ease of your work. First, get some painter's tape. This versatile tool is not just for painting. It can be incredibly useful in woodworking for marking and holding pieces together temporarily. This tape is easy to remove. Unlike other tapes, painter's tape peels off cleanly without leaving any residue, making it perfect for delicate surfaces. It won't damage your wood. This is crucial when working with fine or finished wood pieces where you want to avoid any potential harm. Next, you will need superglue. This adhesive is known for its strong bonding capabilities and quick drying time, making it a staple in any woodworker's toolkit. Not all superglues are the same. It's important to choose the right type for your specific project needs. Get one that is made for wood. Wood-specific superglues are formulated to create a strong bond with wooden surfaces, ensuring durability and reliability. It will give you the strongest bond. This is essential for the structural integrity of your project, especially for load-bearing joints. You will also need some wax paper. This simple item can save you a lot of hassle by protecting your work surfaces from glue spills and other messes. This will protect your workbench. By laying down wax paper, you create a barrier that prevents glue and other substances from sticking to your workbench. It will also prevent the glue from sticking to your work surface. This makes cleanup much easier and keeps your workspace tidy. Finally, gather some wood scraps. These pieces are perfect for testing your glue and techniques before applying them to your main project. These will be used for testing the glue. Practicing on scraps allows you to perfect your methods and avoid mistakes on your final piece. It's important to practice before you start your project. This ensures that you are confident and prepared, leading to a more successful and enjoyable woodworking experience. Now, let's get your wood ready. Start by cutting your wood to size. Make sure the edges are smooth. This will help the glue bond better. Next, put a piece of wax paper on your workbench. This will protect your workbench from spills. It will also make cleanup easier. Now take 2 pieces of scrap wood. Place them together as if you were gluing them. This will help you visualize your project. Once you are happy with the fit, you can move on to the next step. It's time to apply the superglue. Absolutely, applying superglue is easy, but you need to be careful. Superglue dries very quickly. It can also bond skin instantly. Be careful. Apply a thin line of superglue to one of the wood pieces. Don't use too much glue. A little goes a long way. Now quickly press the 2 pieces of wood together. Hold them tightly for a few seconds. This will allow the glue to bond. Once the glue is dry, you can remove the tape. Your pieces of wood are now securely bonded. Section 5. Separation anxiety, taking your pieces apart safely. In this section we'll guide you through the process of safely taking apart your woodworking pieces without causing any damage. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, these tips will help you handle your projects with confidence. Need to separate your pieces? It can be a daunting task if you don't know the right techniques. But don't worry, we're here to help you every step of the way. Don't worry, it's easy to do. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you'll have your pieces apart in no time. You will need a sharp chisel and a rubber mallet. These tools are essential for cleanly separating your wood pieces without causing any damage. Place the chisel at the joint line. Make sure it's positioned correctly to avoid any unnecessary damage to the wood. Gently tap the chisel with the mallet. Use controlled steady taps to gradually work the chisel into the joint. Work your way around the joint. This ensures that the separation is even and reduces the risk of splitting the wood. Continue tapping until the pieces come apart. Patience is key here. Rushing can lead to mistakes. If the glue is stubborn, apply a little heat. This will soften the glue and make it easier to separate the pieces. A hairdryer will work well. Just be sure to keep it moving to avoid overheating any one spot. Once the pieces are separated, you can remove any excess glue. This will prepare your pieces for the next step in your project. Use a chisel or sandpaper. Both tools are effective for cleaning up the joint area. Now, you're ready for your next project. With your pieces safely separated and cleaned, you can move on to the next exciting phase of your woodworking journey. Happy crafting! Section 6. Beyond the basics, other uses for tape and superglue. The tape and superglue trick is very versatile. You can use it for more than just gluing wood together. For example, you can use it to make small repairs. It's great for fixing cracks and chips. It's also a great way to reinforce joints. You can also use this trick to create jigs and fixtures. These are temporary tools that help you make precise cuts and holes. With a little creativity, you can use this trick for all sorts of woodworking projects. Section 7. Mastering the method, expert tips for flawless results. Here are a few expert tips for getting the best results. Use high-quality tape and superglue. Apply the glue in a well-ventilated area. Don't use too much glue. Work quickly, as superglue dries fast. Practice on scrap wood before starting your project. If the glue doesn't bond, try roughing up the surface of the wood with sandpaper. Have fun and experiment. Section 8. Share your success. Join the woodworking conversation. This woodworking hack can change the way you work with wood. Give it a try and see for yourself. Share your experiences and connect with fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Leave your comments, questions, and project photos below. Let's build something amazing together.